today I'm doing the install for this universal toilet fill valve. Mine's got some corrosion on it and it just doesn't work right, so we're replacing it. It says there's a 5-year warranty on here. This causes cancer in the state of California, which is great. But anyway, it's the #1 selling fill valve in the world. Probably because they sell at Walmart. Anyway, this is the replacement. Looks a little different. It's plastic instead of metal right here. That's the washer to keep the water from going in, so that goes on the inside. And then this is the cap for the outside here, this white piece. I'm not sure. Oh, the other thing is for the clip for that, for the overflow. First thing you want to do is turn the water off. Flush the toilet. And that is clockwise, I believe. But you'll figure it out because your toilet won't fill back up if you have it off. Which is mine right now. Next step is to sop up this water. Use a sponge to soap up the water. Once you loosen that up, it should be fairly easy. Now, we did get a little bit of water come out, but that's to be expected. Move this pipe out of the way a little bit. The next step is to take this lock washer off. Yep. And as you can see, this thing's pretty grody. Garbage. Adjust the height. Maybe we want to bring it up a little bit higher so we get a little bit more water per flush. This is just twist it out. And the higher you twist it, the more water you're going to get. You're going to make sure that this goes in this direction. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new now you want to just hand tighten this because if you tighten it too much, it could crack the porcelain or whatever. Slide this thing back up. Now I hand tighten this, but I'm going to just give it a few more turns with the wrench. Alright, that should be good. So I'm going to attach the hose to the clip. And that clips onto your tube right here. And the other part connects right here. And again, you only need to snug this up tight with your hand. Don't overdo it with a wrench. Alright, now that's tight. Oh, very nice. Oh, yeah! It's alive! Finally. I've been putting that off for so long. It was such an easy task. It took me 5 minutes to do each one. If that. Barely. I didn't even need a wrench for this one. It's all hand.